How can you make the basis of buns and dumplings extra crispy and add a lacy skirt? This video shows you how to create a crispy lacy skirt for your buns and dumplings. As food lovers, we all love chili oil and crispy fried shallots, which are essentials in our comfy home, don't you think? Especially when they're made from scratch. They truly add an extra addictive touch to every dish. I've put together a recipe video for chili oil and crispy shallots, so don't hesitate to take a look in the video description below. If you have any questions, I am happy to help. You can use frozen buns or dumplings right from the freezer without thawing them, or you can go for freshly made ones like I did on this video. You could also try searching for big bao, char siu bao, or steamed buns Josephine recipes on YouTube. They are my absolute favorite. These snacks are absolutely delightful. When you are looking to relax, just make some rice porridge and enjoy it with these fantastic crispy bao or dumplings. It will surely boost your mood and give you that warm feeling of home. I absolutely love making bread and dumplings. It is so therapeutic. I almost do it every day at home. There is nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating it from scratch. Here's how I shaped my meat buns. I will share my buns recipe video in the description box below. As for the chewy meatballs, I will also include that in the next video, so if you're interested, keep an eye out for it. Start by adding oil to a pan. And heating it to medium-high. Place the buns in the pan and cover it with a lid for 3 minutes. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of flour. You can choose from corn flour, potato starch, plain flour, bread flour, or rice flour. I've found that using just 1 teaspoon of corn flour with a rice bowl of water works well, or you can mix bread flour with rice flour for a super crispy result without needing much oil. Cover the pan and steam until the water has evaporated. Once the water has evaporated, turn off the heat and let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to make sure the bottom is golden brown, instead of just soggy. This is one of my go-to brunches for a lazy Sunday, featuring rice porridge or some late-night snacks. I hope you enjoy watching and have a fantastic weekend filled with happy cooking and eating.